The railway infrastructure is formed by critical assets like tunnels and bridges, which are aging. Most of the European railway networks were built at the beginning of the 20th century, and although maintenance and upgrades are continuously done, we face the challenge of responding to an increased transport demand, especially in metropolitan areas.
The inspection and monitoring of these assets is costly and time-consuming task, representing around 5% of the GDP spent on infrastructure-related activities. Moreover, mitigating the risk of accidents during the inspection task is even more important. Aerial robots are a key tool that can help to improve the cost efficiency of tunnel inspections, support the digitalization, and health monitoring of railway infrastructure and protect the people that work within them.
In Eurecat, we have developed an autonomous aerial platform capable of inspecting wide and narrow railway tunnels. It is equipped with a mid-range depth camera to map the nearby environment, a localization sensor to help determine the position of the drone along the tunnel, as well as an onboard computer able to run the navigation algorithms in real time and to store the captured inspection data. To provide meaningful visual and thermal information, the platform is equipped with 4 visual imaging sensors and 1 thermal camera. These inspection sensors are accurately positioned to maximize the field of view. Furthermore, a lighting system synchronized with the camera's shooting rate is mounted on the platform to guarantee an optimal illumination of the tunnel surface.
To optimize the inspection procedure, we developed the guided informative path planning algorithm, which we tested in a simulated tunnel environment. This algorithm takes into account the position of the visual and thermal sensors and steers the platform towards the most informative regions, where the potential defects present in the tunnel walls can be observed from a close distance. This method aims to maximize photogrammic-related goals, which will lead to more accurate 3D reconstructions of the infrastructure.
This end-to-end solution has been tested in a railway tunnel in Rome. The planner guided the platform along the tunnel wall, maximizing the surface captured by the sensors from a close range. The visual data collected was not affected by the platform's motion and provided accurate and clear information of the present defects. The thermal data highlighted the water inlet areas, which were also detectable in the visual channel. The work performed within this project shows that an aerial platform can indeed provide a solution for remotely performing visual inspection of railway tunnel infrastructures, reducing the costs of such procedure and improving significantly the exploitation of the gathered data.